Afternoon, folks. I'm Dave Canterbury with Self-Reliance Outfitters and the Pathfinder School. And if you're interested in taking training here at the Pathfinder School in Southeast Ohio, you can check out our training schedule under Survival Training at selfrelianceoutfitters.com for a full schedule of our courses, descriptions, and prices. What I want to talk to you guys about today is the carbon steel skillet. Talked about this thing for about 2 years. I've shown it off and on in videos for a couple of years. I've had it in very recent videos, as a matter of fact, and now we're ready to release this thing for pre-sale. If you have not seen the carbon steel skillet yet, here it is, okay? It is virtually the same size, a little bit smaller. It will actually nest inside the stainless steel, but it is considered an 8-inch skillet. I'll give you some exact measurements real quick so you can see them. It is 8 inches across. It is 2 inches deep, and the bottom is about 6 3/4 inches, so you have a slanted side, okay? Now, the skillet has exactly the same handle configuration as our stainless steel skillet. However, this is not like any skillet on the market today as far as this type skillet, all right? There are case-hardened carbon steel skillets on the market, but this one has our unique folding handle design built into it so that it becomes a good, secure, heavy-duty camp skillet, okay? So what's special about a case-hardened carbon steel skillet comparatively to a normal skillet? Well, lots of things. Number one, it's more durable. Number two, it seasons faster. It's cookable straight out of the box and will stick much less than an unseasoned piece of carbon steel. I would encourage you to look up case hardening on the internet and look at the benefits of case hardening. But case hardening is used for mild steels that are going to be used in abusive scenarios or for machine parts that are going to take lots of wear and tear to keep them from breaking down. And this is a case hardened carbon steel skillet, all right? This is a restaurant quality skillet with our folding handle. Now, here's the thing, I can tell you now, you're not going to find this skillet anywhere else in this exact configuration without a doubt, because we had to use 2 different factories to make this skillet. We have the factory we work with stainless steel that we've been working with for well over 12 years now. That makes all of our stainless steel cookware. However, they do not make carbon steel. So when it comes to carbon steel, we had to work with another factory to make the skillet itself, have that skillet shipped to our factory that makes our stainless steel, and then have the handles assembled onto the skillet, packaged, boxed, and shipped to SRO. This skillet has gone through over a year of testing to make sure that it is exactly what I want before we released it to you. The skillets are on their way to us now. Pre-sales will begin on Friday. We have a large number of these skillets coming. However, I can almost guarantee you that they won't last until Christmas. So I would get it now if you want one, because it will take about 6 months to resupply on these skillets again. So the big question is going to be from everybody out there, what's the price of that skillet? That thing is awesome. Restaurant quality, case hardened skillet, folding handle, very old timey, yet not, okay? This thing was fashioned and the idea came from, this is a folding handle carbon steel skillet from a U.S. Forest Service cook set. And that is exactly where the idea came from for this version of that skillet. This one's a little large for backpacking. It's not horrible bad for a stationary camp. It's probably about an 8.5-inch skillet, somewhere in that neighborhood, maybe 9 inches, something like that. But this is perfect. So the price of this skillet, $29.99, under 30 bucks for a restaurant quality, case hardened, folding handle camp skillet, guaranteed for life, okay? Guaranteed for life. Like most of our Pathfinder gear that bears our logo, that gear is guaranteed for life because I want you to have it for a lifetime. And if it fails you, I will replace it. No questions asked, okay? So that's the deal with this skillet as well. We're also going to offer a black Cordura bag that you can purchase with this skillet that brings the price up to about $44.99. But it is a US made heavy Cordura black bag with a round bottom in it that is custom made in the US for this skillet. So you can buy the skillet by itself for $29.99 pre-order. You can also pre-order the skillet with the bag for $44.99. Delivery on this skillet, I would love to tell you that you're going to get it before Christmas, and that is the plan. However, I don't control the docks, I don't control the dock workers, and I don't control freight. So while this should be in our hands and able to be shipped prior to Christmas, I can't guarantee you that you're going to get it before the first of the year, but I'd say chances are probably better than 80% that you will. All right, guys, I appreciate you joining me today for this video on the release of the case hardened folding handle carbon steel skillet from Self-Reliance Outfitters. I would encourage you to check out the channels of our other instructors here at the Pathfinder School in Southeast Ohio, to include Andrew Ogle at Ranger Survival Craft, Matt Mercer, Black Hat Bushcraft. Both of those have great YouTube channels with lots and lots of really, really good content on them. I would definitely recommend you check those out, as well as the SRO Self-Reliance Outfitters YouTube channel. I appreciate your views. I appreciate your support. I thank you for everything you do for our school, for family, and for business. For all of our sponsors, instructors, affiliates, and friends. And I'll be back with another video as soon as I can, guys. Thanks.